Hi guys, Gina Marie Vega here, and I'm really excited to show you this cat toy. So you can see it comes with everything you see here. It was so easy to assemble, lights up, rechargeable, which is a great thing so you don't have to worry about batteries or anything like that. Guys, this was so simple to put together. You could use it by itself as a cat toy on the floor, or it does come with this open and collapsible mat. It makes it super interactive for your furry friend. So it's really cute, all this stuff on it. And you can put it inside the mat and it kind of just wheels all over the place. Again, you can use it by itself without the mat too, which is really cute. So you can see here, and we put a few cat treats to kind of help and make the cat feel comfortable. And you can see how it rolls around, and the cat could go by itself and go after it, or it could go in the mat. We're going to show you that in just 1 second. Goes right in here. And look at that. It rolls around super easy. It takes a minute for the cat to get adjusted, but once they do and they start realizing it, it's a really fun interactive game where they go after the little toy. But overall, it is super cute and fun. Like I said, it takes a minute for them to adjust, but it's a really cool interactive game to keep your cat entertained. And once she warmed up, she loved it. She really was seeing it and it rolling around and started interacting with it and see her warming up here. Love it.